Hey everyone, Austin Wallace back with AW Reviews. I want to thank you all for returning to the channel. And the purpose of today's video is that I'm going to be comparing the 2016 2.7 liter stock exhaust system to my new Flowmaster FlowFx muffler that's going to be getting put on Friday. So that's basically going to be the purpose of today's video. I'm really looking forward to getting this muffler put on. I did research all around YouTube, forums, and various other sites looking into what is the best muffler that makes this particular engine sound the best. And basically what I was going for is really the sound of a V6 Raptor. And I'm sure, as you guys know, we all know what the sound of a Raptor sounds like. So yeah, that's basically the sound I was looking to go for my truck. And I had a couple of different people reach out with MBRP, Corsa, Borla, a couple different companies, but I've always been a Flowmaster guy. I really like the deep tone that they come with and just the classic design of them. So basically this is the one that got recommended to me by a various person in an F-150 2.7 liter EcoBoost group. And as soon as he sent me the sound clips of cold starts, drive-bys, flybys, all of that good stuff, I just fell in love with the sound. It's basically exactly what I was going for, exactly what I want. Gives it a nice deep tone, kind of a Raptor-like sound. And yeah, and hence the purpose of today's video. So I'm gonna get right into it and give you guys a cold start. Truck's been sitting for a couple hours. It's not a genuine cold start, but it'll give you guys a good idea of what the stock system sounds like. It's pretty tame. For an EcoBoost stock, it still sounds pretty decent. But yeah, I'll let you guys get into it here and see what your sounds like. Alright, and I'll get a couple of revs for you guys. Alrighty guys, so that was the cold start and some revs, so I'll sign off for today, and I'll catch back up with you guys on Friday when I have the Flowmaster FlowFx muffler installed. See you then. Alright guys, so we got the Flowmaster FlowFx put on today. Truck's on the lift right now, so I can give you guys an underview to show you what we all did. First thing we did, obviously, just cut the old one off, and that's the only 3-inch pipe we had to add extra with that new hanger. And there's the muffler right there. So the one I got is a center inlet offset outlet, and with that configuration didn't have to do any pipe bending whatsoever. Another hanger there as well. So I originally got that done, took it for a drive, found out that I could do a little bit more with the sound wise, and so we ended up also doing a resonator delete as well. So that was about 2.5-inch pipe that we had to flare to 2 3/4, as that's what the size is from out of the cat to the stock muffler. So yeah, that's what it looks like underneath. Love the way it turned out. Muffler looks great, and it sounds even better. And all of that out to my 4-inch tip. So yeah, I'll set the truck down and let you guys hear it. Alrighty guys, so what you heard yesterday was a warm start as we had just currently ran the truck prior to putting the muffler on. Even from the warm start you guys did here yesterday, it sounds absolutely awesome. I'm super happy with the Flowmaster FlowFx choice that I made. It's the exact sound I'm looking for. Driving it home yesterday, it was the best drive ever. Literally makes the truck sound like a Raptor with that nice deep tone. But to finish off the video, I wanted to give you guys a genuine cold start for this morning. It's currently Saturday morning at 9:50 a.m. and truck has been sitting for around 16 hours now. So before I ended off the series of videos I've made here in this whole entire clip, I wanted to finish off with an actual genuine cold start at around 60 degrees this morning. So I'll get the keys here and fire it up. Yeah, it's a bit louder than it was before. Sounds absolutely awesome. So there you have it guys. There's the Flowmaster FlowFx installed on the 2.7 EcoBoost. I absolutely love it. Definitely looking forward to driving it even more now. It's just been an awesome truck, haven't had any problems with it whatsoever, and now it sounds amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys like the content, and I will see you all next time. Thanks.